Hi everyone! Ako po si Tin Rivadelo from Operations. Pick out ako sa College of Engineering. May isang SEM na hindi ako nakapag-enroll, so that summer, nag-apply ako as intern dapat sa PLDT. Pero yung PLDT sabi, ang interest mo, community development, so dapat sa Philippine Business for Social Progress. And then right after graduation, nag-apply ako sa PBSP. So from there, June 2003, natanggap ako sa PBSP as Project Officer for Membership Development Unit. My first 2 weeks in PBSP was really unforgettable. Umakyat ako sa 3rd floor sa office ng boss ko, and then he actually threw the paper I worked on. Parang basura, sabi niya ganyan. So, syempre nagulat ako, 'di ba? Parang nag-excel kasi ako talaga sa BS Community Development. So, feeling ko, ang galing-galing ko naman, 'di ba? So, biglang tinapon ng boss ko yung trabaho ko. Parang gusto ko nang mag-resign noon eh. Parang feeling ko, ay, hindi ko nakaya yung standards ng PBSP. And after that day, sabi ko sa sarili ko, hindi na ako tatapunan ng papel ko ng magiging boss ko. Yun, from there, nag-thrive naman ako sa PBSP. I was asked to manage Luzon operations and then CSR, and then eventually nga, I came to be the director for operations. Nung bago kasi ako, feeling ko it's a very competitive environment. Pero alam mong nasa puso nila yung ginagawa nila. Ganon yung nakalakhan ko na environment in PBSP. I've learned talaga na may puso naman ang mga companies. When I got into operations, syempre mas nakakausap mo ang communities. So yon, tapos ang daming nagagawa ng PBSP. And through the years, yun na yung nagpapastay sa akin. 2 beses po ako nagtangkang umalis. Nag-interview. At saka, almost there actually sa mga lilipatan ko. Fortunately, nagstay pa rin naman. Lagi naman may ganun eh. Meron kang realization na this is really what I want to do. And I give myself to PBSP. Mga ganun ba? If not PBSP, siguro nasa government work ako. It also came across my mind na umuwi na lang ng La Union at magnegosyo. We have naman farms in La Union to take care of. Kung may mga particular na tao, I think top of my mind si AJ, si Ave, si Jean. 10 years na kaming magkakasama sa trabaho. Kaming 4 actually. So, and then syempre si Miss Daisy, yung mga matatagal na. Sana marami pa tayong magawa kasing projects. And in order for us to do that, we have to have very good systems in place. We have a lot of stories to tell and learnings for the last 50 years. And now if we move to another 50 years, dream ko lang before I retire is makatulong ka para tumagal ang PBSP for another 50 years. In my 20 years, I've been through 3 presidents and then I think 4 executive directors. Iba-iba sila ng management styles. There will be unpopular and difficult decisions from management. Pero huwag tayong mainis, di ba? Let ourselves be heard. Makipagdialogo tayo. Kasi at the end of the day, pag hindi kasi maayos yung kultura natin sa loob, it affects also the output and how we relate to people sa labas. Tumagal din ako ng 20 years. I don't treat PBSP as just another workplace na pinupuntahan. I treated PBSP as my second home. And parang sa bahay, pag may nakita tayong hindi maayos, hindi tama, tumutulong tayo para ayusin at itama. Ako si Christine Rivadelo, 20 years of service sa PBSP.